In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix indents and paragraph spacing in Google Docs. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Let's open a document from here. This is the document that I've taken as an example. While creating or editing an official document, we usually come across two problems. The first is adding indents to the paragraphs, and the second is removing the extra space between them. Let's look at the indentation first. You can set indents in two ways. Select the whole document by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard. At the top of the document, you'll see a ruler with two blue points. Click on the rectangular blue point and drag it inward. This way, you can add indents to the first line of each paragraph. Remember, don't drag the triangular point, it will change the margin for the entire document. Be careful to move only the rectangular point. There's another way to add indentation. With the whole document selected, go to Format, then Align and Indent. Click on Indentation Options. In the pop-up window, click on Special Indent and select First Line. In the box on the right, enter the value for the first line indent. In my case, I'll add 0.5 and click Apply. Now you can see that the first line of each paragraph is indented. Next, let's remove the extra space between the paragraphs. Select the whole document again, go to Format, then Line and Paragraph Spacing. From this menu, click on Remove Space After Paragraph. Now all the extra spaces are gone. Let me give you an extra tip about line spacing within paragraphs. Go back to the Line and Paragraph Spacing menu. Now select Double. Usually we use double spacing when formatting an official paper or article. And that's it! I hope these two formatting tricks helped you.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.